What are you working on?
Me?
Yeah.
Second spool. That's an interesting holder. Oh, it's supposed to go through it.
Yeah. Am I in light?
Wait, did I see it on this video too?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, jeez.
This is not going live until I check.
How'd you get it in?
Leave that all the way up, and then you have to just kind of fidget it till you find that if it has burrs on the end, it's really hard to get in there. You want to make sure it's perfectly straight. And
where did I put the... We'll try this again. Nice point. I always find that point works. Did you get it?
you have to go up into the tube. Straighten it out. You gotta make sure. See, you've got a curve on it. You gotta make sure it's perfectly straight. There you go.
Don't use this.
There. Now close it.
Okay, I'm gonna straighten it.
Okay, don't get the spools on. Don't hit the spools on the back.
Ready? Now it spools up. Must be heating up. Dang, that looks cool. The LEDs?
Yeah, they did a really nice job with the way it's lit in here. It's lit, fam. What's it say? Confirm from print core 1. So what are we waiting for it to extrude?
Yeah.
What do we have to do?
Wait for it to extrude. That's what I had to do for the other one.
It took a little while to feed through the tube.
It's already through the tube.
Oh, maybe it's heating up or something. Oh, there's something. It's the left one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I see something bubbling out.
There we go. What do you do with that guy? Where you going? Ooh, what was that? Did you see that? It's got a little clicky thing.
It's got some force in there.
Network setup?
Do we want to do that?
Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
Yeah, because then we don't have to connect to it.
Oh, that's true. We just dump files on it.
Right.
That's nice.
Super cool.
So, what if you had this printer connected to a school network and you hacked into it remotely and 3D printed a gun?
Can you not say these things when we have video that we're trying to use?
Can't use that anymore.
No, we're gonna use it, but no, we're not. No.
Kids these days.
This is why you can't film all the time.
No, we have to film all the time.
What if we filmed without audio?
No, that's not compelling. We do so much cool stuff around here and so much entertaining stuff. The unboxing already has a thumbs up.
Oh, we have to connect to
Already.
Yeah, that was
It's
me.
been up for like 15 minutes.
Well, we're pretty
That was
excited
you?
to share this
Well,
thing.
then you stink.
Oh, so I was waiting for it to like connect. I have to connect to it.
Well, that makes sense.
I was like, ooh, we are not in the Netherlands. That's kind of cool. It's like they're from the Netherlands and they put Netherlands as the default. I like that. I'm gonna put the United States though. What do we want to name it?
Ultimaker.
Can we have? What if we get multiple?
Ultimaker setup.
We have a camera.
Yeah, it has a webcam in there. I didn't even realize that.
What?
Yeah, there's a camera in it.
Where?
Right there.
No way.
We can film what we print. And that would, like, if you, well, would you say 18 by whatever?
Yeah.
That would take forever.
Right,
So
if
to
it
watch
fail,
it,
or yeah.
to be able to remote in and see what's going on with it, that's a super cool feature. I mean, that's like a $50 part. So good on Ultimaker for doing that.
Oh, it has its own Wi-Fi network, huh?
Yeah, that's standard for setup with devices.
Can I go? Can I push it?
Yeah.
Let's print. Okay, you can push that one.
No.
Oh wait. Okay.
Oh, we gotta put the
Oh,
thumb
we
drive
gotta
in.
put the
Where's the 16 gig thumb drive from Verbatim that Ultimaker didn't even spend like $2 to brand with their own logo, which I find shocking. There's a guy in at a desk somewhere with like a whole bunch of USB ports, and he's like loads up thumb drives. He's like copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste.
Hence why we're switching to USB-C for the rest of the world.
What do we want to print? Let's do that one.
Yes.
The hard one.
48 minutes.
And 43 seconds.
Yeah, but don't you have to calibrate your print head and stuff?
It didn't say anything.
It's true, it did not say that. I would have thought so.
Yeah, I would have thought you would need to calibrate it with the build plate or whatever.
Is it that smart that you don't need to?
Well, they give you all that calibration equipment.
Maybe after the test print it asks you.
Oh, that's true. Yeah.
Maybe the test print had, like,
says touch.
do you remember with inkjet printers, you know, it'll have you print that calibration sheet,
Yeah.
and then you kind of use those results. I wonder if it's similar to that. I'm gonna laugh if it just spews filament, just like just all over the plate.
No, it's not in the operation. It goes from touchscreen to materials to print, to start print, remove print, bed leveling. That's it.
No, haven't.
It's live.
So you have to start getting ready.
Okay.
Ready for what?
I got to go.
I need to really quick.
Right now? It's about to print. You don't want to watch? You gotta get over here.
So Matt has an order
Uh-huh.
going to Canada, and the zip code, UPS won't let him use their zip code. It says it needs a valid US zip code
Uh-huh.
for the billing. So I told him to put our zip code, but he's not sure what that's going to do for the shipment.
Let's just stop trying and see what happens.
You know what I always say? If it fits, it ships. What's that? Ooh. That's a good idea.
Yeah, they the first draft arrived with a couple errors.
Is that a black belt?
It is.
Do you only sell black belts?
If you're not a black belt, you can't
You're not
buy
a black
stuff
belt, you
from
can't
from
have
What's
Elizabeth
Okay.
make stuff.
What's this do?
It's preparing to print the printer test.
It's a Turing test.
So what do we got? We got fan spinning, element does not move. It made a different noise.
Something's happening.
Something is definitely happening.
Did he say anything?
We already got fingerprints all over the glass. No!
Would you
It's
prefer I do
very,
it
very visible.
from the inside.
It's very, very visible on camera.
I'm sure.
Oh, that's its lift cell? It's lowering.
Is it?
Yeah.
It totally
Oh, it
just
knows
tapped
with
the glass.
nozzle.
Oh, it
There it
touches
is.
it. Wow.
Yeah.
That is cool.
It's calibrated. Right?
Yeah.
Yes!
So it's bed leveling right now.
Is your bed level?
That makes sense because
Oh, now it's going to do the other nozzle?
Wow.
Very cool.
Oh, geez.
This is definitely a tight bed leveling sequence.
imagine what our test prints would have been like through this.
Through that camera.
For the recycling study.
Wow, that is super useful.
Time lapses. I don't know how detailed it is. People, we've done it wrong.
That's right. We iterate. We move forward.
Okay, this is a multi. I can
Do something else while this happens.
Do you think it does that every time?
I bet it does.
This little switch over here, Kev, this metal, is for clicking that.
Which switch?
This one clicks this. I'm not sure.
Point at it again. It does what?
Clicks that.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what that does. I'm mulling.
Very cool.
I love the noise. It sounds like every other printer. Well, it's a little smoother actually.
That's all she wrote.
Bye.
You too. still calibrating? Leveling?
Is it moving?
No, I think it's starting to print.
Ultimaker. I feel like it needs like a robot noise, like when it powers up. Like a, you know, like the Transformers noise, where it's like, it needs like some kind of signature sound like that. That'd be pretty cool. Ultimaker.
It's got a little nodule.
Oh,
on it.
it's spitting out some goo.
Oh, okay, it's clearing the nozzle.
Or it's just really confident in what it's printing.
It's a duck. Did you just smush it?
It totally just smushed stuff. Oh, here it goes.
Oh my god. Yes.
That's satisfying.
Oh no, is there going to be support material? Yeah, it's printing with support.
It's a reasonably cool shot from up to.
Guys, I gotta
As it
go.
drifts.
This is so cool.
That's too bad. We're gonna watch this, and you're not.
Oops.
Bye.
I can't see anything. Ooh, that's gonna be an awful section.
It's alright.
Okay, that looks like support material.
We don't even know what this is gonna be, do we?
No, we just picked the file.
Now, I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if it would be worth focusing the camera on it. But in this nozzle here with those little like teeth that it's using to bring the stuff forward, you can see it moving as it's did you see that? As it's adjusting the filament? Or is that the support material?
That's the support material.
The number 2? The one on the right?
Yep.
That's so tight.
What did it just do?
I think it did a very small purge on one.
On one of them, yeah. It's interesting that it pushed that black out there. Did it just do a support material first layer and now it's doing...
That was pretty detailed support material. Oh, did you see that purge over here? What I just thought of? We can get that live. We can use like OBS
Oh yeah, that would be
and
pretty
capture
neat.
that feed and do
That'd be
live
fun.
prints. Way too many people will watch that. 'Cause
As
I would
part of
watch
the
that.
live, yeah, as part of the live video. Will,
Well,
it,
just-
will it work? Will
Just
it
like
print?
just like at night.
Oh yeah.
Just like set it up. Here, we're gonna print this thing. It's gonna take 12 hours. What
Right?
will it be? We
Yeah.
talked about that at one point. Like
Oh yeah.
first person to write in guessing what it would be
Yeah.
could win a prize or something. There's
Wins
a lot of
a
fun
Gaylord
stuff.
of waste plastic. Shipped directly to your door. Something isn't quite right. We're getting some sort of slipping or something. It appears the support material is not printing correctly.
What do you think could cause that? Just the first time.
I'm wondering if the filament is slipping or possibly has broken. So let me see. Does it look like? Is it still feeding, I wonder? Yes, it looks like the support material has stopped feeding. So it's printing the main material fine, but let's see what happens when it gets to the support material. Okay, that's not working.
So
I guess we will. I think we'll just cancel it and restart it and see what happens.
How do we cancel this? Abort?
Yep.
Sounds sad.
It wasn't right, so we had to abort it. Probably not a good way to say that.
No. It's okay, it wasn't intentional. What did we get? Is there even enough there to scrape up and look?
Let's try. We need a tool. Is there one?
Yeah, there's one.
Well, doesn't it come with one?
Does it? I didn't see one.
Oh, watch out. It's gonna come get you.
What is happening? I have to confirm the removal once it's been removed. Oh, it's got flashy colors up there.
What? Flashy colors? Ooh. I don't know what that means. We could probably see the instructions and it would tell us.
Where's the fun of that?
Oh man, it's getting dark. What is happening?
It's like mood lighting. It's like, I'm sorry. You know, there's not a lot of room because of the door. I'm trying not to cut you off, but I don't know. It's really messing with my eyes.
It's getting dimmer and brighter again. You can see the PWM on the camera.
What?
Pulse width modulation.
Oh.
That's how they're dimming. You should be able to tear that off now.
Bed is a little warm. So even though it didn't print right, I mean, we can see just the quality of that print. I mean, look at that edge. That's awesome. That smooths like right off the bed.
That's exciting.
I'm super stoked to see what you guys come up with for this.
Cool. So I guess we'll just restart it.
Yeah.
I wonder if they're... I don't know. It looked like it was working there after a bit, so I don't think we have to do anything else other than clean the bed and then restart it. I think we have alcohol here. It's usually good to do a wipe.
Yeah, because like this stuff
there's
in the
a
nose.
bottle right there.
Okay. Do we have any?
Paper towels are in the bathroom.
Oh, okay. Wasn't sure if we should use something else. As you know, I haven't been on
A pour job?
a pour job. Ha! Bed's still warm.
It's pretty great that they have their branding there, so if you have like a camera, if you're using the webcam, it's like, that's pretty sweet placement there.
This is a very well thought out device.
I don't know how I feel about the pulsing illumination
It's really trippy.
as you're cleaning the bed.
Alright, I think we got everything. Would you like to try? Do we want to retry just as is? Or do we want to do anything?
Let's retry as is. Are the nozzles clean or do they need like...
I mean, there's a little bit hanging off of
I think that'll be okay.
one of them. And I guess there's a tiny bit on both. We'll find out.
Alright, so the PVA is clearly working now.
Yeah, Ultimaker's the unboxing's at 8 views already.
Wow.
Yeah, it's got like 6 more in the last 10 minutes.
That's gonna do pretty well.
Yeah. I mean, how much of it is people not knowing what it is and just searching unboxing. I don't know.
Okay, that's clearly working. Before, I don't know what was going on. I don't know if there was already polymer in it. Maybe when they ran the test, that test print, they had black in there. Because when it first did that little blob there, it was black.
Yeah, I mean we can see that.
And when it started printing, yeah, let me adjust that.
This is the only piece that should be black out of that.
Yeah.
This should have been clear, and it's coming out clear now.
So there must have been some residual stuff in there, and then maybe it caused it to slow down enough that it failed, but...
Who knows, yeah. There's a lot of options.
Oh, nope, it does print black around the edge there.
Oh, does it? Okay.
Yeah. Alright, that looks right. It didn't mess up that time.
Definitely looks better than last time.
Yeah, it was that next layer of support material that it looks like it messed up on before. And this time it looks like it did okay. Messed up again. Yep, it looks like it's not printing the support material correctly. See, it's gonna try to do another layer of it.
Looks better than last time, though.
Well, for now.
Right.
Those smell good. Are those olives?
Mm-hmm. Cool.
Yeah. After yeah, I don't know what's going on there, but it's not quite right. It may have something to do with the humidity, because that stuff is very susceptible to moisture. So it may be just sitting in the nozzle there and getting hot. You can see a little bit of it poking out there. It's working better than last time, but there's definitely an issue with the PVA. Oop. So we restarted the test print. Looks like it's printing better now. We didn't change anything, but I think we're having moisture issues because it's extremely humid right now, which I think is causing issues for the PVA. So we'll see how this turns out. now I'm seeing what this thing actually does. It raises the support material nozzle so that it's out of the way. When it prints the rest of the part. Looks like our initial test print is finished here. I just need to remove it. Nice. Maybe I'm gonna try something. So here's our first test print. Looks pretty good. It's very humid today, so. But let's see if I can get the PVA to dissolve. Let it soak a minute. I also didn't get hot water, which I think works better, but yeah, give it a second. So I went ahead and took a look at the PVA sheet that they give you with the Ultimaker. I put a little bit of hot water in, but I put too much and it actually warped the part slightly. But it's not too bad. It's been in there for like 10 minutes. Put the PVA in a bag because it's so humid here. I'm afraid it's gonna get too moist, but we'll see how this is. I still feel some PVA still on there. I'll let it set a little longer. So I added some hot water from our water cooler to the water I had in there, and it was a little too hot. It actually warped the part. But the PVA dissolves a little slower than I was anticipating. However, it did dissolve off of there very nicely. In fact, the bottom of where the support material was is actually as smooth as the top of the print, which is pretty impressive. It did warp the part. It wasn't like that at all when I pulled it off the printer. The water was just too hot. But very impressive first experience with the Ultimaker. I think we're really happy with our purchase here. Looking forward to printing some exciting new parts using the dual head extrusion. Something we haven't had here before, so looking forward to that. Overall, very nice machine. Looking forward to using it more.